Get ready for the Samsung Galaxy A55, the latest buzz in the tech world. This upcoming gem is rumored to be a showstopper with its blend of top-tier features and mid-range appeal. Let's dive into what's making waves. Stylish design. Stepping up its game, the A55 is said to sport a look akin to the luxe Galaxy S24. Think sleek, flattened edges and a shiny metal frame that screams premium. It's a big leap from the A54's plastic feel, bringing a touch of elegance. Plus, there's a nifty raised platform around the power and volume buttons, adding a quirky twist to its design. Vivid display. Word is the A55 will flaunt a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus screen, complete with a zippy 120Hz refresh rate for buttery smooth visuals. The display keeps it classy with the Infinity O design, featuring a neatly centered punch hole for the selfie camera. Powerful performance. Under the hood, expect the muscle of Samsung's Exynos 1480 processor. Rumors also hint at an AMD GPU, promising a robust performance. Camera capabilities. Photography buffs, rejoice. The A55 could come with a versatile triple camera setup, boasting a 50MP main lens, a 12MP ultra-wide, and a 5MP macro sensor. Selfie game strong. You bet, with a possible 32MP front camera. Long-lasting battery. Keeping you powered through the day, the A55 is anticipated to pack a 5000 mAh battery, along with the convenience of 25 AU fast charging. Handy extras. The phone might include a USB Type-C port and strategically placed speakers. Plus, the SIM card slot is reportedly at the top for easy access. Compact size. It seems the A55 will measure around 161.1 x 77.3/77.9 x 8.2 mm, making it comfortably sized for daily use. Coming soon. Brace yourselves for the A55s to boat in the coming months, poised to make a splash as a mid-range phone with some seriously upscale features. These leaks paint an exciting picture of the Galaxy A55. While we might see some tweaks in the final product, it's shaping up to be a standout choice for those who want high-end flair without breaking the bank.